And the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, is aiming to lift participation numbers and improve performance in the sport of synchronized swimming. To help reach that goal, clubs were exposed to training clinics conducted by international judge Becky Matin prior to the Splash Aquatics International meet, which started earlier on Friday. Matin, who is one of the officials at the meet, is satisfied with the growth since 2025 and commented on the ASAJ's mandate to build the artistic swimming program on the island.
I think it's wonderful, which is why I've been coming here to help as much as I can, because these kids are fabulous. They're sweet kids, they're nice, they want to learn, they want to do better, and they want to represent Jamaica. And that's all wonderful. If I can help with that, I'm thrilled.
She outlined some of the attributes that got attention during the sessions.
There's the technical aspect, which is how well they're doing all of their moves. So there's a panel of judges that looks at that. And then there's a panel of judges that look at artistic impression, which includes things like how they're using the music, how they've written the routine to move around the pool and have flow from one section to another. Their presentation, how well they show their personality and the theme of their music, and their transitions, which is the section between the upside down moves that they do.
Vice President of Artistic Swimming at the ASAJ, Caroline Brown-Thomas, says there's a lot in store for this year.
For 2026, there are several plans: additional coaching clinics, additional judges training, and additional training or focus for the athletes within the group. There's a diversity.
The Splash Aquatics meet got underway on Friday at the National Aquatic Centre and will conclude on Sunday.